Sneezing season! Achoo!
Are you ready, Henry? Said the driver. Sneeze hard when I tell you. Now, he said. Achoo!
When the scepter disappeared, the dragon stopped glowing. We are learning so much.
Excuse me.
Ugh, you even sneeze like a pony.
Now all I need is some ammo. I've got marshmallows, a box of feathers.
Why did she do it? What's wrong?
I'm allergic to cats.
Sorry.
We would have pinned his royal ass to a wall long ago.
As you wish. With enough persuasion, I'm sure our spy... What was that?
Aw, that's your sneeze?
What?
It's just so cute.
It's a normal sneeze.
For a few precious moments, Alpha and her siblings are safely hidden in the underbrush.
Although the old ankylosaur's eyesight is weak, his highly developed sense of smell, once cleared for action, is his window to the world.
Come on, girl. Come on, up here, girl. Come on. Up here.
God bless you.
No! I'm too young to be eaten!
Whoa! Nice mucus! And I don't say that to everyone.
Would you like some... Oh, Lucy, not the flower.
Martha! Oh, thanks very much.
Termometern så fastfrusen på minus 112.
Får pulsa i snön här.
This is what happens when you lick your spilled latte off the steering wheel. She did that. She's gross.
Lois, you okay?
Yeah, it's just my allergies. They've been awful. I can't figure out what it is.
Good. Wow. Jeez, Coop, you look horrible.
I'm sick.
Poultices? Soup? A poultice made of soup? But nothing's helping Twilight get better.
I told you, Spike. It's just a little spring allergy. In my horn.
a minute, Amy! Hey, I think you might have a pollen allergy.
Nonsense.
You okay? I'll take that as a no.
The truth is, you don't have to do the bet, cause I cheat. Oh! Wow! Bless me.
That was the weirdest sneeze I've ever heard.
Oh, that was a sneaky one. Any casualties? Are you sick or something? Nah, I feel fine.
Let's go again! Let's go again!
Dudley can predict the future.
That's ridiculous. Gesundheit. Wow! I can predict the future! And I think Kitty just gave me your cold.
I get the suds. No, Gary. If I had the suds, I'd have bubbles coming out of me.
Fennekin, the fox Pokemon. Fennekin expels hot air that can reach nearly 400 degrees. It likes to snap on twigs.
That's because that kind of competition can divide you, and it doesn't get to the heart of the issue. Talking about your feelings does.
I think I'm allergic to feelings.
And they do the snizzle.
The snizzle is a reverse sneeze.
They have a shortened nose, so they have like a postnasal drip that they're trying to swallow. Sounds like something Snoop Dogg made up, right?
I think they do the schnizzle faux shizzle.
Man muss da tålamod.
I just heard a way freakish security alarm go off. It sounded like choo, choo, choo.
That was me. I was sneezing.
Oh, me? I'm fine.
The little thingy must be lost. So soon as we find his home, we'll return him.
Just keep it away from me.
I'm sorry. Not another word. Just fix that towel bar.
That was so embarrassing. Glad nobody saw that. I did not know the chickens could be so adorable.
They smell, they're noisy, and their feathers get everywhere. Nothing about them is adorable.
Galufnog.
Whatever is in that case, better be worth it.
Hey, that's my new blouse.
Maybe from now on you'll think twice about leaving your new clothes just lying around.
Achoo! Achoo!
Finally! The fated war betwixt demons and angels will come to an end! At the very least, these angels will perish!
Hey, cover up, would you? You're so immodest.
I'm modestly freezing my ass off.
What did I say? I couldn't help it!
Are you okay? I didn't think you ever got sick.
Yes, I'm sure I'm fine.
Hej! Silvia.
Prosit.
Tack.
Är du förkyld?
Va? Jag?
Ja.
Nej, jag är inte förkyld.
Inte?
Nej, inte vad jag vet i alla fall. Det...
Hello.
Cue the magical girly dust!
Whether 'tis nobler to be loved.
Okay, so, how did you beat that thing again?
Would you like me to lay out the basics?
Yes.
I don't feel so good.
Huh? Where are we?
Less talking, more sneezing.
But nobody has to worry, because I'm going to take care of everyone. Oh no!
Yep, it got sprigged too.
Hello?
Day, I'm calling in sick. Kim Possible gave me a stupid cold.
What? You can't call in sick!
I have to go. Ugh, that's disgusting. Sorry I forgot to bust your brothers. It's okay. I'm sorry I got you sick.
It's so cute! I didn't mean to say that!
No, excuse me. No, man. I guess it's allergy season.
Dude, that was the cutest sneeze ever.
Stop saying that I'm cute!
And I'm sweating like a pig! Here.
Thanks.
Wait! It was you all along! Well, I guess you're back to just being normal again. Yep. Oops. Sorry, guys.
Habib? Tack. Adrian? Beredda? Abbe! Ja, det var allt för idag. Hej då!
And when they'd finished their mixture, Dr. Amy and Dr. Morgan left the sick bananas to get some sleep.
No!
Wow, you sure like a lot of pepper. I'm more of a paprika man myself. It will take more than condiments to foil my brilliant plan.
Hey! Doc! Doc, the hell are you? Oh. Get out of here! I'm sorry.
Regular directors suddenly and mysteriously became ill. Oh, sorry. It may have been a blessing. Their show lacked focus. I gave it a theme.
There we go. Make it all nice and clean.
Gary. I feel horrible. Oh, who am I kidding, Gary? I've got the suds. No doubt about it.
The producers just made a few tweaks. A few tweaks?
I'm gonna sneeze!
And then I said, hey, those aren't your legs. Achoo! What's going on? Achoo! 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 Achoo!
This is gonna cost me.
Take it outside, lady.
Yeah.
Feels great to be back in the flesh.
Yeah. Whoa. Hummy. Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Stand back. I feel enough to eat.
Oh, that's not bad. Not bad at all. It's rather good, I think. Oh, no! Hold it! Oh, no! Help!
When a young barbarian's heart turns to thoughts of allergies.
What kind of fruits are these? Guavas, the purest in Agrabah. That's what I thought. Oh, this is bad.
So you're a little sticky. What, would it kill you to take a shower?
Al, it's guava juice. See? It's starting already.
What a hat.
No.
Det är nyspulver.
We're at the lake! Can we go home now? Achoo! Achoo! Oh, that's a nasty chill, Henry. You stay there quietly and rest.
And now I gotta blow.
How does that feel?
Good. I think I
I'm not okay.
Wait. Chew! Uh-oh.
At least the statue's okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, bless me.
Why, there's nothing.
Surprise!
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Gesundheit. Forgive me. I'm allergic to metallic chromium. There must be a source near. Sorry.
Are you okay?
I'm totally. That was weird. Z? I'm not sick, Karen.
Once you feel it coming, you look for the nearest bystander and... achoo! Now they're enjoying a complimentary snot shower. But sometimes you've got to be polite and sneeze into your hand. Ach!
Uh-oh.
What?
I smell... achoo! 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 Horses.
Hi! There. Base here. I think I have a bad case of the sneezes.
I hereby dedicate the Citizens of Equestria statue to every pony who plays their part, no matter how big or how small.
Oh, come on!
Old hermit crab, we couldn't have done it without you. We owe you a big fine.
Oh no, Snot Rod! He's gonna blow!
Gesundheit!
Achoo!